Fuck. Don't tell me the same mistake now. I hope it's fixed now. I had to restart the stream there. But hey Jason, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. How are you doing? I'm good, man. I'm good. I had a great weekend. I'm very motivated. Very motivated. Met up with some two legends last night. Yo, it was crazy. Okay. Got you, man. Anytime. Yeah, sorry, man. I was just fighting with my settings, yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's just quickly mark out this levels here on US30. Let's see if it has anything for the day yet. Nothing so far. Very tight Asian range here. Very tight Asian range. Your price has exploded there for London, eh? Crazy. Price just exploding. Okay, I think the Wi-Fi is fixed now. That's good. Okay, so no signal here yet. It just referred back on the 4 hour real quick. We are within the supply zone here currently, so a reversal could be imminent. We also have to be mindful that it is Monday, so fake moves are something that will pop up. So just gotta be careful. Let's go and refine this level here real quick. Let's just wait for you to take its sweet time to load. Oh, quite a massive zone. So we have to look at that 50% as well. Okay, we also have institutional point here. So right over there. There's actually quite a few points here that we have to keep an eye on. Yo, thing is, there's a very interesting point. I'm just gonna mark these 4 levels out just for visual context. Anywhere within the zone, I would expect the reversal to come through. Let's check the 5 minute here real quick. Okay, the win rate's a bit low on the 1 minute and the 3 minute. The 5 minute has the better win rate. The 5 minute and yeah, the 5 minutes. So it's a bit trickier. It's a bit trickier for me currently because we have this demand zone down here. So that's the point I would expect price to retrace to, but it's just a bit tricky. Okay, so what's interesting about this over here is price didn't break above this high over here, and then we haven't actually broken below this low over here, which is the change of character zone. So this is a zone I'll keep an eye out for. So if there's any break below this level, maybe might have a sell towards the Asia highs, and then we can take it from there. So also here's last week's high. Price has broken above it, so that's also why I say must be careful, you know. Okay, so here's gold. We're reacting off that to Monzon over here. Same thing, I think continuation of sells is more likely to happen here on gold. 30 minute. Okay, but no confirmation yet, so I think in the next 13 minutes we'll see a confirmation. So that makes a lot of sense also, Jason, you know. So if that thing can confirm on the 5 minute, on the 30 minute, then I will use some of these fair value gaps to start getting into that trade. Let's keep an eye on that, yeah. Gold on the other hand, at the moment, very skeptical about it, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Let's just check the win rate real quick. 1 minute, not that bad. 3 minute, not that bad either. So I think the 3 minute is the best one to go for. But yeah, yesterday, okay, there's a lot of things. Now we need to talk about. The first thing is, where's all the likes? We only have one person who liked the stream. I think it was Jason. And then don't forget to share the stream with a fellow trader, that everyone knows that I'm live. Because we had to cut that other stream short now because of the latency. And yeah, you know, you guys know the vibes, how it goes. We need at least more than half the people to like the stream in order for us to get a potential trade. Yeah, so if you guys don't like, maybe this USD might not confirm, you know. So Nasdaq, let's check Nasdaq real quick. Now look here, guys, like I want to talk to you guys about the guys I met. It was the first time we met up in person. But what an experience that was, man. What an experience that was. Mark out this Asia range. Now look here, those Owens can sound how hectic in their music, but they're so humble. They're so humble. You know, so the plan was for me to go check them out on Saturday. So I had a backstage pass, but my thing was I didn't want to go alone. You know, I didn't want to go alone, and my mom was a bit skeptical about my brother going with me, which is understandable. It wasn't from Vogel, and I don't want to be responsible for anything that happens in case something had to happen, you know. So Saturday, I've been running around the whole day because the guys came and it's like, okay, are we gonna meet up before or afterwards, you know? And it's like, obviously I want to see them perform as well, but also it's like I need to think about, you know how guys are, you know, if we have to meet up afterwards and we have to party, am I even gonna come home? It was Mother's Day yesterday, you know, so I didn't want to disappoint Michaela. So it's actually a good thing I didn't go check them perform, because after that I didn't even know they have a set lined up. So after that performance, they had to go prepare for the next performance, and obviously from there after party the guys like went to go sleep 5 o'clock in the morning. So my thing is like yesterday I had to be up early already to start setting up for Mother's Day. So I was like, you know, maybe that was my test, you know, that was my test. But also, like I said, it's a good thing I didn't go. So apparently some of the things that happened there was, so while they were leaving, the amount of chicks that were jumping on the car, banging the car, these chicks didn't give a fuck about security. Security had guns. They pushed the security out of the way. Apparently, some of these chicks were like, "Julle gaan nergens see. Julle is nou hier. Julle gaan nergens see." That one's, that one's like, "Yo, bro, Eagles, like something else." And so it's a good thing I didn't go because I don't want to be involved in that. So we decided that, look here, guys, like go record, and then I'm gonna spend the day with the family for Mother's Day. And then last night they came over to my house, and then we chilled here. We had a few beers, and we just spoke about working together, our collab coming up, and yeah, guys, like I'm very excited. I'm very excited for what's coming with them. Sure, I can't wait. I can't wait. Obviously, I can't share too much of what's said in those conversations because, let's see US30. Let's see US30. Dirty 30. Okay, we're gonna have to execute with discretion, yeah. But yeah, I feel broken after this weekend, yo. I feel broken. Almost that time. You just wait for that closure. Don't forget to let everyone know that I'm live. Don't forget to share the stream, etc. Yeah, I feel so discombobulated here today. Feels like everything, I feel like I'm behind on everything. Okay, this is good so far. This is good. We have the closure here in the 1 minute. This is good. This is very good. This is very good. Okay, so here we can see it's that supply, and we also have a fair value gap here. So I'll get in somewhere over there, something like that. Need to wait for that closure for it to confirm. Okay, while we wait, I'll head back. Okay. Almost time, guys. Almost time. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yo, I really feel broken, eh? I really feel broken. Okay, it has closed. It has closed. Yo, it's quite a big stop, eh? Quite a big stop. Okay, so now we wait. Now we wait. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we get tapped in. Let's see if I get tapped in. Coming US30. Yeah, I'm so exhausted. So exhausted. Yeah, for me, I wonder if we'll get there in time now if I order a Red Bull.
Nothing's better than that. Not the jewelry, not big house I have, not the cars, but it's the joy. That's where the joy is in helping others. That's where the success is. I'll say it again. True desire in the heart, that itch that you have, whatever it is you want to do, that thing that you want to do to help others and to grow and to make money, that desire, that itch, that's God's proof to you. Sent beforehand already to indicate that it's yours. And anything you want good, you can have. So claim it. Work hard to get it.
I have to head out. Gotta get gotta call some clients. All good, Jason. All good, man. Enjoy it. All the best.
Don't just aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference.
Send me, Jason. Love you, man. Be safe. We'll catch up a bit later. I'll get back to you on all your messages. We just need a pullback here on gold. I mean, on USD. Just need a pullback. Okay, price pulling back a bit. Let's just hope we get tapped in, yeah. Just hope I get tapped in, yeah. But so far, looks like we're gonna create some sort of liquidity first. Okay, there's a short-term buy there on the 3 minute. And okay, we have a pullback coming there, pullback coming there. Let's see. Hey Conan, what's up? Must anything good? Conan, nothing much as yet. Waiting for USD to be tapped in here. I'll be honest, I feel very, very broken. Like, yo, I'm exhausted, bro. I'm exhausted. It feels like I've been partying the whole weekend, but I didn't even party. It's just been like a lot of running around, and you know, as now I can actually feel the exhaustion until everything is done. But how was your weekend, man? How was your weekend, Conan? Yeah, nee, bro, it's vibes. I love being here. It's just like, yo, I didn't realize how tired I am until I actually got up this morning, and it's like, yo. Morning, Kazi. You're not that young man anymore, brother. Hey, Vincente. Good morning, man. Hope you're doing well. Hey, bro. I'll be honest, like, I have realized that I am getting old. First thing is, like, I might go bald. I might go bald, bro. Yo. Ik kreeg een cheetah trim. But yeah, bro, it's true. I think mainly it's the stress, man. I think mainly it was the stress of this weekend, like making sure everything is perfect, you know, accommodate, making sure everyone is happy, making sure my mom's happy, Michaela's happy, making sure those two guys are happy, making sure I'm happy, making sure that everyone's sorted out, you know. It was, yeah, bro. I think it's mainly that got me, you know. Dieter Abrams, in case you guys missed it, China and the US agreed to drop tariffs. China dropping from 25 to 10% for 3 months. Yeah, Dieter. I think a lot of people saw that. A lot of people messaged me this morning as well, asking if I saw it, and I was like, guys, like, I'm reading the article as we speak. But that's great, man. I think that's mainly the cause also for gold, yeah. You know, creating more of that investor certainty in countries, so no longer. People are no longer per se running to gold for a safe haven, and this is why I say, like, I could see a bearish gold coming through, and the reason for that is because more people will be pulling their money from gold and investing in other places, and this could actually be that dip, basically. I mean, should it hit the fan again, you know, we're gonna see gold go to new highs, but it's gonna be very interesting to see. Okay, let's wait to get tapped in there. I'm almost tapped in. I want to be tapped in on that fair value gap. right over there. So we are waiting. But yo, what's your views, up guys, on the tariff news? What's your views on gold, USDT, and Nasdaq? XRP is making moves though. Yo, XRP is making moves. But this is still from Saturday. Saturday was the last high. So seems like this is that pullback for that bull move. So very interesting, very interesting. Okay, I'm almost tapped in. Come on, like you're right there. Okay, I'm in. I am in the USDT. So now let's wait and see. Now let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so add that demand with my TP1. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I'm still just up and down here because there's a lot still happening in my life here. Nothing on gold, nothing on Nasdaq. Takir, Chief, how much do you risk per trade in the funded account? So I have been risking 0.5%, but that's actually been holding me back. But I'm scared to risk 1% as well, so I've been risking 0.75%. You know, in the middle of half and full. So for 1 to 2, I know I make 1.5%. I feel that's reasonable. Sure, stock is massive. Zach, yes, I'm still in phase 1. I'm still in phase 1. And I'm still at break even. Can you believe that? It's like every time I'm up, hey, because I risk so little on the account, then it's like I get up and it's okay, I'm almost there. You know, I'm almost there. And then, say now for instance, like a good example was last week, I was like 2% away. So I was like, okay, let me enter with 1%. And now I took a 1% hit. Now I was like, oh shit, man. Now I'm technically, you know, like, if only I went with my initial risk off. So that's been my problem, you know. So this, from now, I'm sticking to 0.70, bro. And I'm going to go strictly for 1 to 2s on the prop firm. Because also I've calculated on the prop firm, eh? If I do like 1% on the account and I make 2%, I mean that's $500, you know. I shouldn't sleep on myself in that sense, and that's the main thing that has been bothering me also this weekend. Is like I've been holding myself back on the prop firm because mentally it's like in my mind I'm like, oh shit, it's all this money, I shouldn't fuck it up. And it's like, fuck bro, like it's the same rules as when you were trading at 10k. Okay, let's see if we can have a closure here below this level in 5 minutes. Nah, I can't lie. That was a befokte entry that we just took there. That I just took there and USD. That was a sick entry. Damn. Okay, cool. I'm basically down 0.5%, but I've been risking like 0.3%. See, the thing is, Brune, I don't want to say to you like risk more, and then like maybe like you mess up, you know. The thing is, if you're gonna do that, it's gonna take you. It's gonna take you much longer, man. You know, and that could get frustrating. So what would you say is holding me back in my trading career? Psychology with big money, bro. Psychology with big money. I don't know, bro. I just have this fear of trading big money, bro. I don't know why. I'm still traumatized by the first time I took I took that big hit. I'm still traumatized by it. But you know, at some point I'm gonna have to overcome it, and that's the thing. I have to overcome it at some point. Mainly also why I wanna get funded in this prop firm, and I wanna use those profits kind of also to fund the personal account, you know, big account. And if I take a hit again like that, then you know I take a hit. It's part of the game, and I'm gonna learn from it. But if I make money from it, then at least I believe then I will feel like I've kind of overcome it, you know. Exactly, bro. You're gonna want to press the button every day, bruh. And that's the thing, bro. Also, ne, like with me, I've taken so many trades, ne, but it's like because of how the trades happen, it's like I just can't get to that profit phase target, because it's like I go up and I come down and I go up and I come down and I go up, and it's like I can't just get to that target, you know. But then also what I've realized is because I'm risking so little, because now it's like also, let's now say you take a trade and now you are almost there. Now you're gonna want to take another trade, and maybe that trade that maybe like you take a hit on. So like for instance, also over trading, you could start over trading, which is what you want to avoid, because you don't want to have too many fees also. Hey Nico, hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. So hopefully, if this trade runs, this will be depending on where I close it, it will be either be 1 or 2% on the account. My phone's dead currently, Nico. I'm gonna go fetch it in a second. Michaela also needs the charger. So you prefer to flip accounts and have a big account? I wouldn't say I prefer it, but currently it's easier for me. And I mean, it's one of the things that has been working for me, you know. But also, it's not always the ideal thing to do, because if you don't flip the account, though, you know. When do I minimize risk? It depends. Depends on two factors. The first thing is, a few factors. First thing is, am I trading my own method? Am I trading the indicator? You know, so if I trade the indicator, TP1, I minimize risk. TP2, I go break even. When I trade my own method, 1 to 1 R, I minimize risk. 1 to 2 R, I go break even. You can also use breaks of structure as a means of trading stop. So that's there's a few ways you can go about it. Like for instance, let's say you have a supply zone here, right? The break of structure. just make an example. Say this is your supply zone. Now remember, internally you will have some sort of structure. Now let's say market taps you in, and now you have change of character. You get tapped into that zone, and now you're in the trade. For instance, let's just make an example. Say you're in the trade, yeah. Say you're in that trade, and as price basically forms a new low, then you can adjust stop a bit, and as price creates a new low, basically again, you can go break even, and as price basically creates new lower lows, you can start trailing the stop in profit as well. There's multiple ways you can go about it. You need to find what's best for you. I could just stream playing on my TV, home theater boa, Pharo 3D. Nah, that's beautiful, Nico. Beautiful. Oh, is that what you want to show me? Okay, wait. I'm gonna get my phone now. I should have enough krach now. Also, Jeff, did you see some problems offer instant accounts? Yes, I do. Same thing there. Like depending on how they offer it, you'll usually the fees will vary and the rules will vary. Like if you want to go for a 1-step compared to a 2-step, or for instant fund. I've seen some firms even offer a 3-step. You know. Yeah, I know what you mean, bro. I can flip 10 rand to 100, 100 to 1,000, and 1,000 to 10,000. Is a problem that I don't know what I'm doing. For me, Brune, taking 1,000 to more than 1,000, like 3,000, 4,000 is nothing. My problem comes in, bro, the moment there's 5 figures in ZAR. The moment I know that there is 10,000 rand in this account now, it's like, bro, like I get, bro. It's like, I can't explain it. It's so difficult to explain. The thing is, there was a point where I made 100,000 in 1 month, right? But within that same month also, I took my biggest hit of my career. I took a 10,000 rand hit in a few minutes, bro. And I'll never forget it, like, it was a thing of, bro, like, I start growing the account, bro. The account is like a decent size. And now I take a trade in the morning, I'd make like fucking like 5 to 10k. You know, and then it's like later I would take a trade, I'll make like another 5 to 10k. And then I would just withdraw, bro, and I would spend, you know. And there's one specific morning, bro, I woke up, I took a trade. And I can't remember if it was crash or boom. I can't remember what it was. But you must know how it goes through your stop loss. That thing. Now that happened to me. And the move was bigger than I expected. Just see, KG, so $600, like, I convert that shit. It's like, yo. That was not nice, bro. But hey, Dylan, man, hope you're doing well. Hope you're all banging some trades out here, man. Like a day to all of you. Thanks, Dylan, man. Appreciate it. How are you doing? Are you at work today? We're in this US30 sale, yeah. But Jeff, also part of the game, you got this back. Wait, I'm confusing myself here. But Jeff, also part of the game, you got this kit back to big trading accounts. Yeah, no, I agree with that, bro. I also feel Zach, like there's also like a lot of other things. And the thing is, bro, like I can sit here and pretend like everything is fine and like, you know, I am the guy who's mastered psychology and all that shit, but that's also the point of like me being here, so I can share this with you guys because I'm sure it's so relatable. The thing is, I also feel, bro, like if a lot of things in my personal life is like sorted out also, like for instance, if I know for instance that okay, like don't need to worry about rent like for the next few months, we don't have to worry about medical expenses, we don't have to worry about transport expenses, like the thing is also, if all these other small little factors in my life was like not like a problem at the moment, then I believe my psychology will be a lot better. Because the thing is, there's so much shit that I deal with, bro. You know, especially when it comes to family as well. You know, it's like, bro, I carry a lot of responsibility. You know, and the thing is, like, the fear is, bro, if I make like how can I put it? If I'm gonna be very reckless, not only will I affect my daughter and my wife, but I'm also gonna affect my grandmother, my grandfather, my uncle, and my brother, and my mom. You know, so it's like there's a lot of things, bro. So gonna be it's a lot of things. It's a lot of things. But I feel you. The only thing keeping me away from life of crime is this $10 account of mine. Hey Vincente, bro, that $10, bro, like it's gonna take you far, bro. Just keep on pushing it, bro. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Literally, like my life changed because of a 200 rand, bro. In COVID, bro. 200 rand changed my life in COVID. That's when it's like, bro, a whole new world was opened up to me, bro. Like I really saw the possibilities of trading then. I knew about trading and like the possibility, but it's like I really saw the possibility of experiencing it, you know. Hey Jerian, yo. Good morning, Rosh. How you doing? How you doing? You see the spirit, my love, legs and jokes. You forgot the cheeks, Jerian. You forgot to split the cheeks. I'm in at 3219 buy and gold. Just see Rosh. Rosh is in over here. Okay, beautiful. Yo, ek is 'n bietjie skepties om eerlik te wees. I'm really skeptical, to be honest, about gold. Hey Rosh, my bro, so the Owens came over last night, 21 and 21 promo in Pengi. Bruh, look here. Bro, it's a good thing we didn't go. It's a good thing we didn't go. Die goede wat ek gehoor het, bruh, like, the way people went on, bro. We would have been fucking trampled, bro. We would have been trampled, bro. And then on top of that, I doubt even we would have been able to come home. Because firstly, you know how Owens are, bro. Because he still told me, he actually messaged me now. Let me see if he didn't respond. They're still in P, they're leaving later. I think they want to meet up again. So we'll see. How cool would it have to have them on stream? Yeah, so apparently, after that performance, then they must now went backstage. They started like chilling and whatever, and they had another performance in Central. So now think about it that way, bro. Like if we had backstage access and we're chilling with these Owens, and they like they come with us, and then we go to Central with them to the next venue, and then we would have come home the next morning, bro. And then ek sou diep in die moeilikheid gewees het. On top of that, bro, I heard when the Owens left, they obviously had security, guys with guns and shit. And bro, the mochis, they don't care, bro. Hulle stoor hy bra met die gun in die pad uit. Hy cherries hulle slarry bra se karre en dinge soos dit. It's a good thing we didn't go. We would have, bro. Yo. It's not easy, man, especially when you have a kid. Yeah, nee, bro. It's not easy. That was actually very cool as well. Oh damn. Nico, I forgot, man. I restarted the stream. Because of that latency thing. But it should be fixed now. There we go. Thank man. Thank you. Check gold in the 50-minute. There's a nice candle coming through there. See, my thing is Russian, eh? With gold. This zone here scares me now. Obviously, if it runs there, you can make profit. It's fine, you know. I just want to see more of a clear pattern for me, man, you know? If that makes sense. Okay, wait. No, but it's not the same though. It's not the same. I was gonna say I can look at this zone over here, but I don't know, man. I'm just scared, man. Jevon also good bars. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I can't rap. People that's the thing also. People think us collabing together is for a song. No. We're collabing on a business level. But the idea is that eventually they'll make a song, and in the song they're gonna mention me and the trading, and I can't share too much. That's all I will say. Let's just say 21 promo and Pinky's gonna mention my name in the song, and when they mention my name in that song and the way the music video will be shot, it's gonna, oh guys, like, you guys have no idea what's coming. Nah, Rosh brought nonsense. I can't hear happy. Going out for you well. Catch you all later. All good, Nico. All good. Be safe, my brother. I think I'm done for the day. Now back to the $5. Beautiful. That's more than 1,000 rands. That's more than 1,000 rands for the day. Yo, guys, like, it really sounds like I'm in a tavern here now. Speaking of taverns, I must message Montel. Try him one more time. If he doesn't answer now, then I'm gonna give up. Do you guys ever phone someone and it's like, it sounds like you can hear them pick up the phone, but then the phone still rings, and it's like, is this bro ignoring me? Like, but I think he's busy, man. I think he might be busy. Might be busy. Found him back again. Takiri, yeah, bro. I was actually very, very bleak about that. Right over here. This trade. Right after we closed it. Yeah. That thing dropped. Played me well. It's okay. Think he gave a sell here as well, US30. I mean the Nasdaq. Nasdaq also gave a sell, yeah. My thing is like, fuck it. I don't trust that structure, man. Hey? Babe? The market movers are tuning into the stream, bro. I wouldn't be surprised. It's like, nah, we can't have this guy and all these people catch these trades. Like, he doesn't like. Almost said something that's gonna else. Tell Wi-Fi say hello. Babe, Jadine say hello. Wi-Fi thinks Jadine, yo, Jadine. I don't like what price is doing, to be honest. I don't like what price is doing. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. I see there's about 29 people watching, only 16 likes. Make sure to like the stream, make sure to subscribe and share with a fellow trader. You guys know the vibes. If you guys like the stream, you guys have seen it multiple times before. If you guys don't like the stream and then the trades don't work out, I mean, like, it's evident. It's been happening so many times, you know. And the other thing is, guys, I see we need about 77 more people and then we reach 1,500 subs. So I'm pretty sure we can make it happen this week. So if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tell your friends, family, side chicks, ex-boyfriends, ex-girlfriends. Sê vir jou oma, jou opa, jou aunties, jou neefies, jou niggies. Sê vir elke persoon wat jy ken on the channel, you know. Even they, like, even if they don't trade, if they subscribe and tune into the stream when we do giveaways, they can stand a chance to win, you know. I mean, like, you know. Hey, thank you, Dylan. Yo, that was such a beautiful entry, but now look what price is doing. Can you guys believe my baby's almost 1 year old, huh? Time flew, eh? Yo, just the other day, I told you guys wifey's pregnant. Just the other day I told you guys that baby's here. And now like we're gonna celebrate the first birthday like in the next 3 months. That's pretty crazy. Dylan JV said at 1.6k subs we must both work. Yeah, you guys should. Speaking of that, Dylan, you actually sent me a sticker now of something. So was that you hinting? Oh. Let's see if we can play one of these guys' tracks. It's something that's not too rude.
With Google Workspace,
Ik roep met Daan, is het aboen, geniet de big smile. Ik doe die al voor de lang tijd, dus freestyle al voor uitmaals. Blijf gefocust op je big kiss, zo ik blijf weer, kan die freestyles. Eerst moest een stap uit de rol, en nu trap ik op je big tiles. Ik roep met Daan, is het aboen, geniet de big smile. Ik doe die al voor de lang tijd, dus freestyle al voor uitmaals. Blijf gefocust op je big kiss, zo ik blijf weer, kan die freestyles. Eerst moest een stap uit de rol, en nu trap ik op je big tiles. Wanneer ik moet move, bij je mannen gaan mij afkraken voor die shit. But ik moet move. En bij je mannen gaan verlieven raak op die shit. But ik moet move. Ik hoop me like ik kan een pose rijden die shit. But ik moet move.
I can't do that, Jarian. I just take someone's wife.
Ze kan niet die donnen zien, met mijn bloed en de shine ik een policy. Het is mijn life, moet niet fuck met die dollars zien. En met dollars zien, hoe schat ik kom dit die. Moest ze huis in die jattes net die. Klaar gelukt ze die patas ready. Soms zal ik die kakkers heavy. Als te heavy, ik kan niet phony. Een bitch zal ik krap op mijn phony. In een label zal mij niet kaoni. Pas down, AP het als je getoni. Fokko getoni, ik moet mijn baby stickers die. Niemand weet waar mijn strippers zie. Rippers, ik laat hulle nikken vlie. En ik maak hulle bikkers zie. Pizzas, ik zoek 1 of 3. Wat ze mo is 1 of 4. Raak ik weg met de Hennessy. Amelie goes bij NXT. Move. Bij je mannen gaan mij afkraak voor die shit, but ik moet move.
Hey Bernard, welcome man. Welcome, hope you're doing well. Equal lows on US30. Yeah, yeah, let's see. I'll be very aggressive with how I manage this trade.
In die big chase van de one way moet ik uitmaak. Som vol aan die dream chase, kan die dream chase van ik blijf vaak. Ik zet mijn focus op wat ik get, maar struggles kan ik voorbij gaan. Want hoe voel het zijn blijheid, pad vat die toast bij een rijk man. En een label zal me niet ownen, mijn ex-bitch zal ik phony. Die dollar zal me niet clownen, zo fokkel hier zal ik houden. En ik dank je, zij wil nog bonen, met iemand wat die wil trouwen. Want hoe vol ze van mij gloe, als ik mezelf niet vertrouwen. Ik roep met aan, je zit aboen, geniet de big smile. Ik doe die al voor de lang tijd. Freestyle af voor uitmaals. Blijf gefocust op je big kiss, zo ik blijf weer, kan die freestyles. Eerst dan moest je stap uit de rol.
Don't know what we can make money. Jevon can throw Monopoly money. Damn. The man wants only fan vibes.
Ik hoop me like ik kan een pose rijden die shit, but ik moet move. En ik moet move, van ik moet move. Bij je mannen gaan mij afkraken voor die shit, but ik moet move. En bij je mannen gaan verlieven raak op die shit, but ik moet move. Ik hoop me like ik kan een pose rijden die shit, but ik moet move. En ik moet move, van ik moet move.
Are you a trader?
Come on, US30 man. What's your plans? What's your plans? What's your plans?
Bij je niggas om te proeven dat ik aan een different style flow. Draai om met de stop, ik zal voor je weg en mezelf bouw. Je te veel rijms, ik probeer het in mijn mind hou. Die beats is als ik fight, zo ik zou liefst met geld trouw. Alle zien in mijn visie niet, alle zien niet wat ik dalen, alle zien in mijn missie niet. Ik was geboren om te rip, het was die eerste decision. Ik moet niet vragen hoe kom ik dalen, niet als je reason. Als niet een middle of time, voor al die niggas voor mij af gaat buig. Net zoals COVID gaat ik een zelf met getallen stijg. Het is op pauze en ik kan het zelf aan mij handen voor ik different mode en ik heb mijn olie afgeschreven. Alle kom niet nou eerst dat ik baas draai. Ik doe wat ik wil, zo moet niet voor jou baas. Als je die wiel draai, ik kan wacht nog voor mijn zwaar daar. En die hele game, nou kon rippers is vanavond.
No waitress, I want actual money. Jaden can make a big withdrawal at the bank. Get some notes for us. Oh, klomp tins. Jaden, klomp tins. 10 rand notes.
Laat ik gewoon verder rip in die jong wijs ik woon in die praat bij je hier. Zee is een demon, maar ik voel je is een fire niet. Ik ga al je vier brengen, ze zal nooit zien ik brand onder niet. Demons in mijn kop en ik het treatel hem in honesty. Jullie het gedankt dat ik is klaar. Terug, doen het voor mijn mind, voor mijn pa. Wat het dus, jouw geweten zal jou aan je pla. En jouw kus, banaan in de oefen, het is
Mijn lieve is te lekker voor een man om nog een gat te vat. Ik blok die pad en ik is bij mijn vierde laat. Die pad is nat, ik maak zeker die dagen spat. Die hoor ik rippetjes kan bouwen, ik is klaar met kat. Als hij woef woef, die hoor die honden kan blaf. Als dit tongen wat zou willen, die goed ouwe le taf. Ik heb die mensen in die vrienden, ik is terug op mijn staf. Ik haal die duivel, ik doe chillen van mijn paas en staf. Wat is al recht, kijk, ik ken die satan is als olie wat ze gooien in die wijn. Ik eet gebied die goed als heet en daarom vangen le pijn. Ik word een vleet op je hoek en je moet af het doen.
Nasdaq London High looks high probability. S&P usually looking bearish. High probability looking bearish, yeah. Okay, that's enough now. I'm so scared to go a bit more deeper into this stuff, and then it's like it gets a bit too hectic.
Yeah, love patience, don't it? Patience, don't it? Take a little patience, don't it? Some of them days is lonely. Life familiar, yeah, I'm familiar. Some of them friends is phony. Yeah, I got the word in the palm of my hands, think I'm Tony. Yeah, run this world and I wanna raise the one and only. Can't walk in my shoes, they don't have my size. I got them blocking, they right by my side. They wanna hug me, tell me they love me. Look in the eye, ask why would you lie? Money talk, don't say no more. Bad times, don't wait no more. Too many games, don't play no more. Money talk, don't say no more. Yeah, bossed up, dotted the I's and crossed the T's, so now you can cross us. Way too cautious. Money talk, don't say no more. Lost us. Yeah, thought you could get it for free. Did you forget that my name was P? Nigga, please. Money talk, don't say no more. Got big dreams. Got me up, I can't go to sleep. Won't stop till they notice me. Recognize when I'm overseas. Big screen. Yeah, bad bitch on my hip. Yeah, top chef when I sip. Get to it, don't sit. I'ma give me some money today. Run it up like a relay. Cause life's a bitch. But that's my bae. Please don't judge me till I rest my case. Could've been dead in jail. My life for waste. Take a little patience, don't it? Some of them days is lonely. Life familiar, yeah, I'm familiar. Some of them friends is phony. Yeah, I got the word in the palm of my hands, think I'm Tony. Yeah, run this world and I wanna raise the one and only. Can't walk in my shoes, they don't have my size. I got them blocking, they right by my side. They wanna hug me, tell me they love me. Look in the eye, ask why would you lie? Money talk, don't say no more. Bad times, don't wait no more. Too many games, don't play no more. Money talk, don't say no more. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money talk, don't say no more. Woo. Yeah.
If I'm quite honest, I wouldn't bet on tech going bearish. We were at 35k, now we're back at 40 to 51k. Tariffs are starting to put something in the shift. And it's going to go hand in hand. Just like to go and do its own thing. You said 40 banks are gonna collapse in a week. Damn.
Love is a drug, you don't need your ecstasy. I said if love is a drug, you don't need your ecstasy. Take a little patience, don't it? Some of them
Damn.
is lonely. La familiar, young familiar. Some of them friends is phony.
Damn.
Got the word in the palm of my hands.
No wonder they came to an agreement, eh?
Words the one and only. Can't walk in my shoes, they don't have my size. I got them blocking, they right by my side. They wanna hug me, tell me they love me. Look in the eye, ask why would you lie?
Damn.
Don't say no more. Bad times don't wait no more. Too many games don't play no more. Money talk don't say no more.
I'm a man of the people, so you know who I'ma do it for. I'm done playing, bro. I'm taking off the uniform, cooking up a formula, training like a warrior, obsessing over success and aiming for euphoria. I can't afford shit, homie. Fuck the Forbes list. I ain't got a foreign, I can't even get my Ford fixed. Stay informed, bitch. Had to reinforce it. These corny ass rappers all looking like they forced it. Sharper than Link when I run with the sword. Everything I talk about, I done did it before. Man, I used to rock the fat farms. Now I got a platform. I hit them with.
They had to make a deal with Trump. Yeah, they had no choice.
In other words, I changed the forecast.
Change van line to the worldwide economy, motherfuckers op.
No need for a fortune teller. My future filled with shrimp, steak, stuffed portobello. Squeeze juice from.
Oh my word, Dylan.
And I got some screws loose. I'm forever thinking that my shit is the best. So Father, please forgive me.
Ja, als je got a mind of its own. I trade ICT, so I use SNP for SMT divergence. Confident equal lows, I'm chasing it now. If we can just have price break below that level here, bro, then I will start looking to go break even before the session ends. Beautiful closure, then a 15-minute candle. Me and Yuvi gonna go head to head here, and Jevon knows. Maybe, bro, I'm just gonna be the mediator. I'm just gonna be the guy that's gonna be like, okay, let's hear both sides. Let's hear both sides. If that's my strategy, no SMT, no trade. I'm naughty sometimes and take it to that SMT. Hey, Takir, don't be naughty. Don't be naughty. Takir, naughty. Babe, do we enter from the shop?
Working hard just to settle the score. They ain't fucking with the hustle now. That's 44 fours.
Ah, nou kom.
Trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. Say, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you down. Say, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. Say, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will let you down. I can see that seas are run around by the way that seas moving. I can see that seas are run around by the way that seas grooving. I'm tempted to go on tour and say God Almighty is the only way. I'm tempted to go to this girl and say God Almighty leads you today.
Say what up, Chad? What up, Chad? Say what up, Chad? Yeah, no, Rosh has been on point with his calls. So you see it's going to 41,884. 41,884. Hope that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. And you see the Asian eyes be taken. Hey, what you doing?
it gone just for a substitute. Satisfy you for a while, but within time it proves a no good.
Okay.
Susie gotta change her style.
You can have this. Dan put it in your mouth. Oh no. Oh no. Then you can have this. You can have this.
Don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. See, girl. Don't trust the world.
Okay, baby, stop eating everything. Say bye, Chad. Say bye to the chat. Say bye, Chad. Say bye, Chad. Kiss you, Chad. Say bye, Chad. I'm gonna catch my own trades now, Chad. Okay, come. You gotta keep up with this now.
Babylon could never take our soul. They took away the silver and gold. Jah is the mystery bound to unfold. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will let you down, down, down. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will let you down. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will let you down, down, down. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will turn you over. See, girl, don't trust the world. Babylon will let you down. Wherever your youths get around.
Winzy? Oh. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I sound like I'm really soft for some reason. Did Kalia do something here now? Let's hope not. Let's hope not. Everything seems good. Nas, and we're gonna change the highs. We're just gonna consult it until the highs ran through. But let's see. Yeah, and my thing is like the way it's moving there. I don't like the way it's moving. It could pop up, but I'll wait for it to drop. The world's youngest trader. Hey, Ed. Long time since I've seen you in my chat. But bro, I don't like ICT. Maybe one day when I'm on stream, I'll explain why. I'll explain it why I don't agree with him. The concepts are true, but another explanation is or why markets moves like that. I do get you, but I don't think anyone can really explain why the market moves like the way it moves. I think everyone's gonna have a theory. And even if market makers do move the market, they will never admit it. Jevon, I don't know, but have you also gotten more softer after having your girl? Every little thing I see on YouTube or even a movie, I feel very teary-eyed. It irritates me. I was never like that. So that movie King Richard, the movie King Richard. There was a few moments during that movie where I was like, you know. But I will say like I have become a lot softer. She's really shown me that like I don't need to always be so angry, you know. Like literally when I hold her, I'm at peace. But I will also say that having us also hardened me up a lot more, in a sense of like I know I have to protect her now, you know. So it's also like deep down inside, it feels like I have dad strength. It's weird to describe it, but I do agree. It's like, bro, I can be in a meeting with the guys, ne, and be that guy, like, look here, like, this is wicked shit must get done, this and this, ne. The moment I go to her, and it's like, hey baby, hi. Yo, the market is slow, but it's also Monday, so
The confidence.
Monday morning, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
And we did have massive moves though. Yeah, you have to be the lamb and the lion at the same time. Yeah, and you have to do. I also say, bro, that there's also moments where like I'll be hard on her as well. If she's naughty, bro, I would raise my voice at her, and she would like look at me like, what was that, like, you know, and she would, but I was like, you know, if she's naughty, bro, she's naughty. She must know she mustn't do certain things. Agree to disagree, but the equal highs and lows never failed me. Dylan versus the ICT traders. I love teachers for throw on open on price.
Makes sense. No, it makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Real friends keep you out of trouble. Real friends always keep you humble. Real shit. Real friends always eating with you first, cause they the ones that starve with you in the jungle. Real shit. Real friends always keep you out of trouble. Real friends always keep you humble. Real shit.
Look here, doesn't matter what anyone says. The home run indicator is the shit and the way to go.
My role models is preschool. I'm trying to do it how he do. Man, that shit is cool. I want to do it how he do. He do. See why we focus on more friends and more friends? Cause it raises endorphins. The older that I got, I realized it important. Cause mostly all of them don't give a fuck about your shit. Absorb it. Damn. So go and get your life in order. Keep your 100 pennies. I'ma take the 4 quarters and I'm gone. It's real friends. Think about it.
Champagne for my real friends. Real pain for my sham friends. Nah. Champagne for everybody. Champagne dreams for them days I was unemployed. Selling drugs, trying to live, I was stuck in void. Wasn't like I wanted to, but what the fuck I'm supposed to do when the government ain't giving me no fucking choice? They ain't wanna show us love like the mother boys. I was trying to make a change till they cut my voice. I was trying to buy a range till they up the price on me. Try to cut the lights on me like the clubbing boy. I can tell you things that some people never seen in life. Living lavish, they say happiness the key to life. I had a couple bad bitches, I ain't treat them right. I had a couple fat bitches, I ain't even like. But the conversations was enough to make me sleep at night. Never fucked them, but I made sure they were eating right. Only loved them cause they taught me how to love myself. Gave me something to believe when there was nothing else. Tell me something else, all I know is hell. Point me to the riches. It's funny, yeah, niggas screaming money over bitches, but when them niggas going broke, then it's bitches over money now. Oh, whoa, that's some fake shit, but that's the world that I know. She just want attention, that's the girl that I know. I just want a pension, that's the check that I deserve. Share it with my niggas, I ain't stressing by the bird. All you ever wanted in life was to be a legend. All I ever wanted in life was to be accepted. All I ever wanted at night was a Lamborghini till I woke up from my dreams and they told me to keep dreaming. My radio demons, too much new shit without a reason.
US30, what am I gonna do with you? What am I gonna do with you?
And how the hell do I pledge allegiance without allegiance? Me and John Lennon by the fire singing songs. Kumbaya, wishing that my Lord sing along. Reminiscing about every nigga that did me wrong. Pray to God I don't catch him slipping, but this is wrong. This is wrong. We ain't supposed to hold grudges. Forgiving all my enemies, for they don't know nothing. Nah. This is Sunday school church. This is so touching. This that old Keisha Cole back in 07. This that Bob Marley dreadlock shit. This that grandma in the kitchen cooking ham hock shit. Whoa. I warned niggas years ago before they cared about me. Like if you don't hear me now, then you gon' hear about me. But I forgive him, I can see him over there watching. And I still got champagne for everybody. Pour it. Champagne for everybody. She said, I thought that you were different. I thought that you'd be different. I thought that you would be submissive. Told you all my secrets, why you just pretend to listen, just so you can have a feast while you fuck me in the kitchen, man, you cold-blooded. And maybe other hoes love it, but I ain't other hoes, my nigga, I'm so stubborn. And fucking with my heart is like touching a cold oven, that shit barely work. You about to get your feelings hurt, hold up. Close my eyes and I never get lost again. Some niggas cross the line and I never get crossed again. Pigs pulling triggers, these kids won't walk again. And that's the day I promise God that I never eat pork again. Wait. No money, no comments, always had them problems. More money, more problems, wish I had them problems. I know that financial stress I had you at the bottom, but at least if you was making dollars, you could have some progress. They told me only time can tell, but I ain't had no watches. Eviction notice, I ain't had no options. Young Jeezy bumping, I was on my Trapadashi. Until I almost seen a ghost, I was Action Bronson. I just wanted champagne while I crack a lobster. I just wanna see your fucking hands at the concert. I just wanna see Megan Good without the nose job. I just wanna see Eva Mendes without the clothes on. That's so long to my old kids and my old friends. It's so long to my old bitch and her whole friends. Shout out to all them hypocritical Christians who act like just because I use the word niggas and bitches, I can't deliver my message. Come deliver my blessings upon evil. Hide your sins up.
Yo, I think I missed a lot of messages there now.
Like if you don't hear me now, then you gonna hear about me. But I forgive him, I can see him over there watching. And I still got
I hope I didn't steal anyone's feelings, but as long as you use MetaTrader, I don't. As long as MetaTrader is blue, I don't care what you use making money. Yeah, no, I agree with that. I agree with that. What do you think? What do you guys think of Yamiri though? One of the best in the game, honestly. To be honest, like here, bro, I'll be very honest with you, bro. At this point, bro, in this trading industry, bruh, I don't give a fuck about no one, bro. Like, I don't trust anyone. Doesn't matter how they portray themselves, like to the public. Does he trade live? Does Jamiri trade live? If he trades live, maybe I will have some more respect for him. If he, and especially if he goes live daily. I feel like if they can't trade live on a daily basis, then you know, then they shouldn't be doing it. Because here's my thing also, ne? These guys claim they wanna yell people, but if you wanna yell people, you're gonna show up every day to your people and you're gonna do something for them. You know, I've heard something. I know what you're talking about, but I've also heard some allegations against him. And Yamir is the guy who went on Words of Wisdom, ne? Words of Wisdom, wasn't he also, isn't Words of Wisdom also a place where they hosted, what's his name, Raja Banks? So that to me is like already like, you know. No, I hate against the guy. No, I hate against the guy. It's just, you know.
Champagne, champagne, for we all go. 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 Champagne,
Oh no. Don't tell me that was them and I ignored.
occasion. Western Park, that's my location. Life and death, what we was facing. Boy, gotta get that motivation. Back in the basement, look at my idols, I'm feeling adjacent. Doing the shit that I wish I was doing, I'm feeling impatient. Throwing parties and catching cases, that's the life, but that shit basic. I could crack, I can't erase it. If I could, would not replace it.
Like, my thing is also, guys, I don't know how to explain this. I don't mean to sound like a hater, because the thing is, I've told you guys this. That's one thing that I don't want to do on the channel anymore. I don't want to talk about anyone else. Like even if someone talks cack about me, like, you know, I'm not even gonna address it. And the reason why I say that is because, you know, I honestly feel this way. We all who in this game, as mentors, as traders, whatever the case, we all say we want to help people. And if you're gonna then if you're gonna help people, why must you break each other down? You know. So that's why I also realized, like, I must look within myself. I shouldn't let my ego get to me and things like that. The only thing I must focus on is providing the best service to you guys that I can, being the best version of myself that I can, and just focusing on my vision. And as time goes on, God's gonna see that, and God will reward me. I know that for a fact. But I can't expect that to happen if I'm gonna, you know, look at other people and their lives and things like that, and to focus on myself, my own family. Because also, like, if I look at the vision I have, can't even compare myself to these people. Like, for the vision I have, most of these IG traders, bro, like, I can't compare myself to them. I can't see myself. Do you guys see where I, like, you guys know where I see myself? I see myself sitting there in Abu Dhabi shaking hands with the sheikhs over an oil deal and some shit like that, you know. I see myself moving in different circles one day. So just by becoming aware of that is a whole different approach I should have in my whole life as a whole, you know. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take five, and give thanks to the source that create life. Very true, Jeff. I've never seen him trade live, and he was on Words of Wisdom. Words of Wisdom is where all the fake traders go find clients. Bro, like, yeah, I think not even my big go. Even my big go. It's very simple to be in this game, bro. It's very simple in this game. You either loan a lot of money from someone and you buy yourself a car, and then you say you're trading as paid for it, and then you launch something. And we launch something, whatever the case. And as time goes on, like, all you have to do is uphold your appearance to the public, because then people will buy your service. So that means making appearances, interviews, and things like that. All these things. So it's easy, bro, but it's not easy to do what we're doing right now. You know, a good example for anyone who has any shit to say about me. Firstly, I trade for free here on YouTube. You guys would know I don't even sell mentorship anymore. Huh? And like, when last did someone buy my mentorship? When last did someone want to buy my mentorship? We haven't had one sale this year for mentorship. I haven't made a cent this year from mentorship. So then the question is, and how am I surviving? You know. And the thing is, like I said, like, you know, I come sit here every day. I trade, my brothers. I trade here, you know. Not many guys can do that. Not many guys can do that. Let's get into oil. Let's get into uranium. What's uranium? So I just want to make sure I'm talking about the right thing. Okay, I see. Okay, I see you, Dylan. I see you. Yo, bro, like, it's, bro, yo. Bro, let's start our own Akon City. Let's start our own Akon City. You guys know Akon City, ne? Guys, I'll be honest. It's almost half past 11. I'm gonna go break even, yeah, on US30 now. I'm gonna cut it. Or I won't cut it. I'll maybe just minimize my risk till there. Half it. So, you know, I'll just keep on holding it from here. You know, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. There's only so much I can do. You know, there's only so much that I can do. The market's just not moving. And I will basically use a timer with it as well. So, 12 o'clock again. I will see when market's trading at and decide whether I'm going to cut or not. But there's no financial advice. You must do your own thing with your own trades. I'm not responsible for that. Yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna call the session there for now. When you tell people you trade, they expect to see the IG trader lifestyle. And bro, that's one thing also that 21 Promo and Thingy said to me last night, which they respect about me. You know, they said to me the first thing is like, I didn't come to them as someone who wants to use them, né? And even though I trade, like, when I never once wanted to impress them, all I literally told them, I just wanted to speak to you. Let's just talk about something, you know. So that's the exact same thing they said as well, you know. Even being a rapper, like, the world is so cooked, man. The world is so cooked. Like, you know, they have this perspective on how things, yeah, you know. Jevon's been doing the real trick. That guy knows it way back, bro. Because I was in the same boat, trying to eat, trying to get out, trying to buy clothes. It's mad encouraging to get to see you go further. Very true, bro. Like, very true. And I feel like when I have my mentor on this week, you guys are gonna really see a lot, like, why I also am the way I am. You know, the things I've learned from him. Yeah. Yeah, big respect. Jevon is live. No one can talk shit. You have a home of trading and support the whole family. It's crazy, but I don't mad respect to you, bro. And the thing is, like, we actually spoke about this last night. Me and my mom. Well, not last night, yesterday afternoon when we were sitting, and it's like, I told her like the thing that's happening with Lux and so forth. And then she asked me how business is going. I told her, but like, we don't sell mentorship anymore. Like, I've made it free. Like, you know, like everything I do now is technically for free. Like, I just work with Sahil with the indicator. And she asked me, like, so I'm like, so are we okay? And I said, I told her, like, we're okay, you know. And she was like, so she told me that I must be so grateful to God because, which I am, you know. I'm very, very grateful because, yeah, really, guys, like, it doesn't come easy, you know. It doesn't come easy. And obviously there's moments where I struggle, you know. Obviously there's moments where I struggle. But it's all about how you handle that struggle. The people who you have around you, you know. If you have the right support system, you can do anything. You can do anything. This is why be very careful, like, who you share personal things of yourself with. Be very careful who you make yourself vulnerable to. Be very careful with these things, because it's very hard to find people like who you can be so open with, you know, without them using it against you. So when you find those type of people, like a good example, like here in the chat, like Nico, Raphael, Dylan, you know, we've been growing very, very close. I'm not excluding you, Dylan. I'm not excluding you. We also talk a lot, but I'm just now people who, like, I have like calls with on a regular basis and stuff, you know. And even Dylan, like, you know, just him being here, like I've told before, like, I've told people before, like, you know, I would rather stream for like 4 people, like streaming for Dylan and for because this is now way back then, because I could see the legitness. That was legitness, you know. That was legitness. They actually watched me because they wanted to watch me, not because they didn't come here because, oh, they might get something from me. And that's what I'm so grateful for as well, you know. We're actually building this thing on love, on transparency, and a vision, you know. We're gonna show people that anything is possible. Anything is possible if you surround yourself with the right people, follow the right principles, and so forth. You know. But anyway, guys, in the rant, I love you guys so much. Slow day on the market. Slow day in the market so far. We'll see what lies ahead for us in New York session. So much love, guys. Much love. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. The market is very slow. I'm gonna have something to chow quickly. I'm gonna go spend time with wifey and Baba. Probably take a quick nap, you know, before we go live. I'm still so exhausted. I feel broken after this weekend. But much love, guys. Much love. I'll see you guys later.